Hey, welcome back. The next problem we'll solve is to check if a number is prime or not. We know that any number n greater than 1 and divisible by only 1 and itself is called a prime number. We loop from 2 to n minus 1 to find if a number exists in this range that divides n. Let's code this out. Before we start checking, we assume it is prime. We know we have to use a loop that starts from 2 and stops right before n. So we use a for loop where I ranges from 2 to n. Okay, let's enter the loop. Inside the loop, we check if the values of I can divide our number n or not. That is, if n mod I equal to 0. If at any point I divides n, then our number is proved to be not prime. So if this condition is true, that means our number is not prime. So we set the variable is prime to false. Okay, our logic to check whether a number is prime or not is complete. Now, once the loop is complete, we use the if condition to check if is prime is true. Then we print number is prime. Else, we print number is not prime. So let's analyze what happens when we take 5 as our number. Now, okay, so this is what we got. N is 5, our is prime is true. First, now we have to start off our loop where the iterator I starts from 2. In the first iteration where I is 2, we check if n mod I is 0. That is, if 5 mod 2 is 0. Which is false. So this condition fails because 2 can't divide 5. Hence the value of is prime is not set to false and it remains true. In the second iteration where I is 3, 5 mod 3 equal to 0 is also false and our is prime remains true. In the third and the last iteration where I is 4, 5 mod 4 equal to 0 is also false. Condition fails. Our is prime is also not set to false. It remains true. So we've completed the loop, and since the value of is prime is true, we print number is prime. Now think of how the code will behave when the value of n is 6. This is something for you to figure out. Thank you.